Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Wednesday, December 22nd. I rode Friday. It was like 79 degrees, and then a cold front come in, and it was like 30-something degrees at night. So we go from air conditioning, cold front comes in, and then we got heat the next day because it doesn't even get 50 degrees. And now it's 75 degrees again, and it's Friday. Or no, it's Wednesday. So just, you know, like this time of year, Central Texas, if you don't like the weather, wait a day. It just changes dramatically. So cold fronts come in and then they go away, which is good. I don't want to be cold. But I did like riding at, I think it was like 55 degrees, and I just put my warm clothes on and I took like a 60-70 mile ride. So it was kind of nice. But this is perfect. 75 is perfect. I got a jacket on, a mesh jacket, but I still got shorts on. But I thought, oh, I better put a jacket on. Might be a little chilly, but it's really not. But the jacket's perfect. Well, we got some pictures from our builder. Actually, we got some pictures last week from our neighbor. She went over to her house, and we have floors now. I think they're finishing up the floors now. And then the builder sent us pictures, and we have our granite countertops installed. So the granite looks awesome. So the next step will be the backsplashes, the showers. They still have to do electricity. I mean, all the electricity is there. You just got to put in the boxes and the switches and the light fixtures and the recessed lighting and all that. So that shouldn't take too long. But the funny part is, we signed the contract on our house in July of 2020. And it was supposed to be done on September 2021. Well, it's December now. January is going to come and go. But the weird thing is, there's a house down the street. They started that house 2 months after they started ours, and they're closing tomorrow. So what's the deal with that? I guess they were, you know, complaining and yelling that why aren't they building our house. But our house sat for 4 solid months with absolutely nothing done to it. We had no windows. I mean, the house was built and that's it. We had no windows. 4 solid months we never had windows. So now they're finally getting some stuff done. And now he told us, once the superintendent told us, once they get the floors in and complete us, he can give us a closing date. So it's really crazy how they build some people's homes, because I guess they're complaining and yelling, and our set, we don't complain. So, oh well, it'd be easier to sell my house in the spring versus now in the winter, because the spring everybody wants a pool, and I got a pool and a hot tub back there, so in-ground pool and a hot tub, so that'll help. And I have a separate office with a separate stairway, and then so that'll probably be a selling point. It can either be used as a bedroom or a separate office, which I've always used as an office. And so we actually have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths that we're in now. About 2,300 square feet, maybe. I don't know. It's always different every time you see it. They'll come and measure it before we sell it, I'm sure. But it'd be exciting. We're going to go up after Christmas, probably because I'm off from the 24th all the way through the 3rd, which is going to be kind of nice. I'll probably get on and do a little bit of work just as stuff comes in, but not going to spend a whole lot of time doing it. Oh, these stoplights are horrible. Well, finally got moving again. Those stoplights can be like 5 minutes. Turn left, turn left, go straight, go straight. It takes like 5 minutes to get through a stoplight here. There's so much traffic. It's not even 5 o'clock. People don't work till 5 o'clock anymore, apparently. I always had to work till 5 o'clock when I had a commuting job. Sometimes 6. People don't do that anymore. Boy, it's a nice day though. 75.